Díomh agus fáilte go grammar beag, bite-sized Irish grammar videos for primary school pupils.
So today we're looking at I'm sure Ashnach, the future tense. So, some future tense words. Amórach, tomorrow. An bhliain seo huggin, next year. Aru amórach, the day after tomorrow. Níos déanaí, later. An caiiciis seo huggin, next fortnight. So, as we know, an céad réimú are one syllable verbs and they're either cuil, slender, or lahan, broad. If the last vowel is IRE, they're cuil. Ca, brish, fill, all cuil. And if the last vowel is A, O, or U, then they're lahan, broad. Dún, owl, los. So the endings allow us to conjugate brithra verbs Sanaim Shanashtanach. The start of the brithra doesn't change unless on or ni is in front. So just a recap of our four Anamka pronouns: may, to, she, she, shin, shiv, shiad. If the last vowel is A-O-U, it's lahan, broad, and the last vowel is I-R-E, it's cuil, slender. So, if the verb is cuil, put in the following endings: F-I-D-H may, F-I-D-H to, F-I-D-H she, F-I-D-H she, F-I-M-I-D, we don't include shin, F-I-D-H shiv, F-I-D-H shiad. And my teacher in school always used to say, remember F for future. So we're going to put some brithra cuil in Sanaim Shar Ashnach. Tep, to fail. Tepi may, I will fail. Tepi to, you will fail. Tepi she, he will fail. Tepi she will fail. Tepi mid, we will fail. Tepi shiv, ye will fail. Tepi shiad, they will fail. Ri, to run. Rihi may, I will run. Rihi to, you will run. Rihi she, he will run. Rihi she will run. Rihi mid, we will run. Rihi shiv, ye will run. Rihi shiad, they will run. So even though you see the F, you don't pronounce it. Now, if the verb is lahan, broad, we put in the following endings: F-A-I-D-H may, F-A-I-D-H to, F-A-I-D-H she, F-A-I-D-H she, F-A-I-M-I-D. We don't include shin, F-A-I-D-H shiv, F-A-I-D-H shiad. So let's conjugate some brithra lahan in Sanaim Shar Ashnach. Ol, to drink. Ol he may, I will drink. Ol he to, you will drink. Ol he she, he will drink. Ol he she will drink. Ol he mit, we will drink. Ol he shiv, ye will drink. Ol he shiad, they will drink. Remember, even though it's an F, we don't pronounce it. Fog, to leave. Foggy may, I will leave. Foggy to, you will leave. Foggy she, he will leave. Foggy she will leave. Foggy mit, we will leave. Foggy shiv, ye will leave. Foggy shiad, they will leave.
Agus sin é.